Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
First of all, congratulations, man.
Yo.
I've been waiting for this album. I just wanted to get on here to tell you congratulations.
Hey,
you know what I mean? Like,
bro.
I got a whole, like, I got so many favorites. You know, Lamb of God is one of my favorites. Buried Alive.
Sure.
Buried Alive is not only my favorite, it had me like, I could see you perform that. The record Unity.
Check this out. It's when we hit the stage live and you're buried alive. This whole event is going to be like this. Buried alive. Yeah, because we've been through this coronavirus and we're still alive, right? There must be a reason. God is good. How you been? How's my boy Alarm?
Alarm is good, man. You know, he with Mama right now. I got them a yacht and they are just lit it up. You know what I'm saying? Taking a break, you know, because you know what I mean? But you know, but Buju, I got more favorites though.
Yeah.
I got Buried Alive, Lamb of God, the way you set the album off. You know, I kept calling you, asking you, Buju, did you put the intro? Meaning as in, did you do an intro? And you kept saying, no comment. I understand. Thank you for doing Lamb of God. Thank you.
You know, we have to always bless the works, right? Because we don't move off our own accord, you know. Yes? So when the Most High bless us and give us the message, we have to give the people. We just want to make sure that the masses just calm themselves down a bit and listen to some good music. You know what I mean? And like I said, I'm open to any suggestion that the masses them may have, you know. Now with this great platform where I'm giving them an input, you can say, hey, Mark, Buju, whatever you want to call me, Gargamel. If you don't want to call me at all, I'm fine with that too. You know what I mean? They can't say, well, next time you do so, and next time you do so. You know what I mean? So we have to do it. But your input important, you know? Because now interconnect. Now we are connecting to the world. That's what I'm saying. But tell me what's the other favorites that you have on this album.
My other favorites, you know, I love Bless, you know that. I love Trust and Stepper. Those tunes been out and I love them. But then there's tunes like Rising Up.
Oh.
Rising Up.
World.
Yeah, special. And there's tunes like Helping Hand. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? That's a deep one, you know what I mean? When your brethren are far, y'all pick them up. Y'all give them a helping hand.
We have to,
you know what I mean?
We have to each one help each another. We have to.
And then 400 years.
Whoa, problem in it.
Yo, listen. First of all, when I look at an album, the titles, when the titles have records like 400 Years and Rise Up and Buried Alive and tunes like Unity and Helping Hand, without even hearing it, Mino Wagwan, especially coming from you, you know what I mean? So like, yes. When this album came last night, and I listened to it from top to bottom this morning,
yes,
it's exactly what, as a fan, vision, and enjoy what I was hearing when you was gone. Yeah. I heard you talking about it, a gated community thing. We hear that talk, you know what I mean? We're not like big talk that, you know what I mean? And you come back, you come forward. It's like, I'm trying to tell people, you know, when you make music, yeah, it has to be impactful. And Buju Banton, that's what he makes, is impactful music and timeless music. So I try to tell artists every day that I work with, you know what I mean? When you're timeless, and you're impactful, it don't matter when, how, and what day, and what season, and what, if it's a storm or if the sun will come out. When you're timeless, it's forever. And Buju, you are forever. You know what I mean? That's who you are.
We make the music for the masses, Khaled, because we are servants, you know. We are servants of the great I Am. You know what I mean? And our job is to uplift the masses with the music. Feed the masses with the music, and the Father will take care of you. You know what I mean? Because our profession, you know, in the world, the lawyers look at themselves and call themselves and tell the world that their profession is a noble profession. But look what it said about it in the book, what them gave us to read, called the basic instruction before leaving earth, the Bible. We still figure, so well then, our profession was spoken of in a more highly manner. when you read the basic instruction before leaving earth, it said, singers and players of instruments did went before, along followed by the damsels playing upon the timbrels. That's a noble profession. We did went before. He never said liars and all these criminals and whoever them want to be. So we have to know what we are doing in this time, because this time is different from that time.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
And while we're in the shift, it's even important that we know as conveyors of music to the masses what we are doing. We can't make them dance now. We can't make them gyrate all night long. Always impart something to let them grow.
Yo, you know, Still Shiloh, Inner Heights, and now we have Upside Down 2020. I always say
before the dawn.
No, listen, you have a lot of albums.
Rasta got soul.
No, you have a lot.
Oh,
a lot.
You can't forget. You can't forget the baddest. Too bad.
No, of course, Too Bad and all them.
No, Too Bad.
Let me just tell you, them three albums you just named. No, all of them. Yo, Butcher, you know me from day one. You know how we roll.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying is, when I say Kill Shiloh.
Yeah, that work was special. Actually, next month is the 25th anniversary, 25th year anniversary of Till Shiloh. Yeah,
I know you're gonna do something special for the fan. You know, that album, man, it got me through a lot of things, and Inner Heights got me through a lot of things. I'm gonna be honest with you, a Buju Greatest Hits got me through a lot of things. You know what I mean? Enough tune, like God is my salvation. It's enough tune, but I just wanted to get on here.
I had a close one yesterday.
My favorite tune.
Jah put an angel over
me.
I had a close one yesterday. God, it's not now. We've been always trying to uplift the masses. You know, we've been blacklisted for half our career, but we became more in touch with the people on the underground than we could have ever imagined on the mainstream in those days, you know, because, you know, we would go to some venues, the venues could hold only 4,000 people, yet we had 12,000 people there, sometimes even more. And we know what we was facing at the time. You know, sometimes we're relegated to 2,000 now. We see ourselves playing the music, and the people are allowed to come and hear the music and form their own opinion of who they're listening to. Which to me is a new time, you know?
Yeah, not for real, man. Buju, I just wanted to get on here to congratulate you.
Yo, bro, thanks a lot, man.
I love you, and I'm tuning into the live and catch the vibe. Everybody go get that new Buju album.
Upside Down 2020.
Huh?
Upside Down 2020.
Oh, one more thing, people. So, you know, before everything, you know, I called Buju a long time ago, before the pandemic, before we had, with all this corona thing and all this thing I go on and other news and all that. So I said, Buju, what's the name of the album? I said, I'm not going to tell nobody. This is when the sun was shining, everything crisp, nothing, you know, we could travel and everything fine. He said, Upside Down 2020. So I love the name, and I say nothing. And then a month later, everything everything upside down, mash up like, man, I understand. So I tell Buju, the next album, please call it The Lights or the Sun or something. So I'm not be upside down. Cause
no,
like, yeah, prophet.
Listen, it wasn't my doing, you know. We are moved, you know. And when we move, we have to just follow the movements. You know what I mean? Because the watchman see the danger and don't warn the people, the blood shall be on his shoulders, you know. So as the watchman, we have to make sure to warn the people. You know what I mean? Yes, sir.
Next time you tell me of an album called Upside Down, something like that, and I'm going to tell my kids.
Oh, stop it.
We have to go on.
Listen, by the time we're ready to work on the next one, it shall be called Right Side Up.
That's right. I love you, my brother. Bless up. Congratulations.
It's a Brooklyn in the building. Don't worry yourself, DJ Khaled. Love from the
Let's go.
Let's for me, bro. We don't even have to go into the past too much on Instagram because we don't like to. You know what I mean? But stay, bro.
Love.
I'm still in the children.
Yes.
I'm still in the children, all right? Yes, I am. DJ Khaled really youth. Really youth. Most of the ones make it and them automatically forget who them is and lose themselves along the way. Khaled never did that. You know what I mean? Keep it real. Only thing I see him get more funnier. Yes, no respect to the man.
Viewers and subscribers, when it comes down to Jamaican music, in my point of view, DJ Khaled is no stranger. In my point of view, he is no stranger to Jamaican music. You see me? From a teenager, I hear about DJ Khaled. You see? This video that I just presented to you, this video shows Buju Banton and DJ Khaled talking about Buju Banton's new album. You see it? According to what had been said about this video that I'm presenting to you, according to what had been said about it on social media, is that this video had been recorded live. Now, for many years on top of years, you see me, through my lifetime, Buju Banton did songs on top of songs that I think that they are excellent music. You see me? Or you can say excellent songs. You see me? I mean, in my point of view, most of Buju Banton's songs, I think they are hits. So this album that Buju Banton is talking about, Alright. Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to Buju Banton. Big up and respect to DJ Khaled. You see me? Big up and respect to you, my viewers and subscribers as well. You understand me? Yeah, because you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? And, you know, I love to show my respect to each and everyone out there. Alright? Yeah, so big up to you, my viewers and subscribers. And, you know, let me know what you think about some of the things that Buju Banton and DJ Khaled had said. You see what I'm saying to you? And let me know what you think about some of Buju Banton's songs. You see me? Yeah, you can leave your comments in this comment section of this video. You see me? Alright, but anyways, here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.